Okay friends, welcome to Easy Coding with Amara once again, and in this video I will tell you how you can create an SHA1 key in an Android Studio using Flutter. So when you are working with Android Studio project, you go to these tools and open this Firebase, and you will see that this type of layout is open, and after that in this authentication section you click on this connect to Firebase and your project is connected with the Firebase. So in the Android Studio project, there is no need to create an SHA1 key. But in the Flutter project, you have to create the SHA1 key and then paste that key in the Firebase project. But the problem is that how to create an SHA1 key. So there are different methods, and using these methods you can create an SHA1 key. But when I try to create an SHA1 key, I face many problems. So that's why I think I create the video for you. So let's open the Android Studio and try the first method, which is first select project from here, and then you will see that here is the build.gradle, and open this build.gradle file and you will see this type of layout, and inside this layout you have to click this open for editing in Android Studio, and then open this into new window, and you will see this type of new window is open, and it takes some time for processing. But after processing, it says that you have to install the latest version of Android Studio, and it gives this type of error me, and it did not sync. You will see that sync failed, and it show me this type of errors. But in your case, if this error does not come, then you have to open this Gradle from here, and you will see that in my case there is nothing to show. But in your case, if it shows some files like this, like you will see in this screenshot, you have to see this type of files. And in your case, if these type of files is come, then open simply this signing report, and in this terminal you will see here the SHA1 key is generated. Okay, but in my case this does not work, then I simply close this. So I simply close this project, and I will tell you another method which is very simple. So you have to open this Gradle REPL properties file and open this file, and you will see that I removed the previous code and add this Gradle 6.3 version. And when you click on when you write this code here, this code, you have to write this code and make all other code comment. Okay, so that's why compiler ignore that code. So you have to write this code inside this file, which is Gradle REPL properties, and after that you have to open this, right click on this, and then click open in terminal, and after that you will see this type of terminal, and then write simply this and press enter. So I already add in this project, so I remove this project and tell you in other project, which is this. So yes, in this project you write this. First you have to add the file inside this wrapper, and inside this wrapper you open this file and make all the things comment and write this file here, and when you paste this code here, then open this file in terminal, and after that write that and press enter. Then you will see that it takes some time, and after some time it show you this type of build successful. Okay, and it is downloaded the file successfully. And once these files are downloaded successfully, then you have to write here and after that click on this, and once you click on this you will see this type of SHA key. Okay, and this key is generated successfully, and after that you have to copy this SHA key and then close, and then you have to open this Google JSON file, and inside this file first you have to open the project which is created in the Firebase console. So you have to copy this URL and open in the Google. So first I paste that key here. After that I am going to copy this URL and open in the Google. So you will see this is the link. After that you will see here this is the project, Firebase project, and open this project settings. And when you open this project settings, so here you have to make sure that you will see this type of package name. This package name is same as this project's package name. And if you created this Firebase project for some other Android Studio project and include this JSON file in some other project, then it's give you error. Okay, so make sure that you have to write this project package name. Okay, so if you see here some other project is stored, then you simply remove this app and then you add app from here. So if you click on this add, it will ask you Android and web and iOS, then click on this Android. Okay, and then you have to see this type of layout, and it's asked for the package. So open this from here and copy the package from here, and you will see that in this build.gradle there is a package name for this app, for this project, sorry. So here is the package name. Copy this package name from here and then paste this package name here, and it says that we have already the package name. So suppose I write something else here, and after that you paste this SHA1 key. So copy this key and paste it here, and then click on this register app. So I am just telling you, if you use some other project here, then you can delete that project and write that project which you are using now. So when the SHA1 key is created, then you simply click on this add fingerprints and write that, paste that SHA1 key here, and then simply click on this save button. Okay, so it's giving me some error. Let's check again in the terminal. So this is the key. Copy this key and then paste here, and you will see that now click on this save button. So this key is saved here, and make sure that this package name is exactly equals to your this app package name, otherwise it gives you error. So I provide you the code which I write here in Gradle.wrapper class, and yes, here is the wrapper class. You have opened this and this class. So I provide you this code in the description box. You have to check that code, and this is all you have to do for the Flutter. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon. Allah.